money and confidence intertwined. Have you ever experienced a financial setback that shook your confidence? It's more common than you think. Life throws curveballs, and sometimes our finances take a hit. Job loss, unexpected medical bills, or even poor financial decisions can leave us feeling vulnerable and unsure of ourselves. The stress is real, and it's okay to acknowledge the emotional toll it takes. But remember this: your financial situation doesn't define you. It's easy to fall into the trap of equating our self-worth with our net worth. When our finances are flourishing, we feel invincible, capable, and worthy. But when they dwindle, those negative voices creep in, whispering doubts about our abilities and our future. The truth is, your value as a person has nothing to do with the balance in your bank account. You are so much more than your financial status. You are your resilience, your determination, your compassion, and your unique talents. Never forget that, ever. The first step to recovering from a financial setback is separating your self-worth from your net worth. This is crucial. Write it down, say it out loud, and internalize this truth. Your value as a human being is inherent and unchanging, regardless of your financial circumstances. Easier said than done, right? It takes conscious effort to silence those negative thoughts. Start by acknowledging them, then challenge their validity. Are you really defined by this setback? Or is this an opportunity for growth and learning? Focus on your strengths and past successes. Remember times you overcame obstacles and emerged stronger. These experiences are proof of your resilience. You've got this. When you're facing a mountain of financial challenges, it's easy to feel overwhelmed. The key is to break down the journey into smaller, manageable steps. Celebrate each small win along the way. Did you pay off a credit card? That's huge. Did you stick to your budget for a whole month? Give yourself a pat on the back. These small victories may seem insignificant in the grand scheme of things, but they are powerful confidence boosters. They remind you that you are capable of making positive changes. And as you accumulate these small wins, your confidence will soar, propelling you forward on your financial recovery journey. Now that you're feeling more empowered, it's time to set some goals. What do you want to achieve financially? Do you want to pay off debt, save for a down payment, or build a comfortable retirement fund? Whatever your aspirations, having clear goals will provide direction and motivation. But don't just set any goals. Make them SMART goals. Specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Instead of saying I want to save more money, set a specific goal like I will save $5,000 for an emergency fund within the next 6 months by automatically transferring $200 from each paycheck into a dedicated savings account. See the difference?